Hi, this is my Lab 9 project. I have a dance floor with a 4x4 grid of LEDs connected to a photoresistor and potentiometer, as well as a disco ball attached to a servo. When I turn off the light, the photoresistor detects that the light is off and the dance floor lights up in different patterns. As we change the potentiometer, that pattern begins to change to diagonals and to columns. The disco ball drops as the light turns off, so let me turn the light on again. We'll see the disco ball rise and fall. The processing code aligns to the top left corner of the dance floor and changes with the pattern. So if I change the pattern using the potentiometer, we see that the pattern changes on the processing code. If the light turns back on, you can see that the processing code shows a blank dance floor, just as the dance floor is off. If we take a peek under, we see that the dance floor is made up of 4x4 grid of LEDs, and underneath of that, the LEDs are attached only in 4 different digital outputs in order to create all 3 patterns. The potentiometer and photoresistor are attached through the housing, and the potentiometer is attached in pin 9. The servo motor is attached in pin 9 to the disco ball. The Arduino code reads the analog pins for the photoresistor and the potentiometer, and we print out the light, the potentiometer level, and the LED count to determine which of the 2 settings the dance floor is on. We write all the pins to outputs for the LEDs in our setup, and we write the output for the servo. For each of the 3 patterns, we have 3 different LED settings. In this case, 1, 3, and 2, 4 are on opposite settings. When the light level is low, we have the servo on 0, and when the light level is high, we have the servo on 0, and when the light level is less than 500 low, we have the servo on 180 degrees. The processing code uses a clever set of 3 different arrays in order to determine which colors each of the grid points are, as well as conditions that determine which of the squares are on and which are off. For example, this one checks the diagonals. That's all. Thank you so much.